Today's video is a report from a construction site in Hungary. We present the insulation of a basement that remained completely unused for years after a flood. It was a site with a very high groundwater level. Water stood there practically all year round. We apologize for the low quality of the recording. The project took place in the year 2000 when cameras did not yet capture details like today. Despite this, we decided it was worth showing this project because it was one of the first examples of using our technology in such extreme conditions. Upon arrival, we saw a real pool, a basement flooded with water to a depth of about 1 meter. As the owner mentioned, no one had entered there for years. Only ducks used the room. The desperate client found us through our online contact and asked for help. The first step was to pump out the water and remove the damaged layers of screed and plaster. We thoroughly sanded and cleaned the walls and floor to allow full penetration of the NCT mineral materials. During the work, we encountered the first problem. Water unexpectedly spurted from the floor, creating a small geyser. We reacted immediately. We covered the leak with dry NCT crystal powder. The agent quickly bound the water and completely stopped the leak, allowing work to continue. Next, we insulated the walls with NCT crystal and NCT SEM materials, both inside and at the entrance from the outside. Since the water pressure from below was very high, we applied an additional concrete screed, 10 centimeters thick, mixed with NCTM. Such a layer creates a 100% tight barrier, withstanding up to 10 bar, which is about 100 square meters of water column. A month after the work was completed, the floor and walls were completely dry and the basement was usable again. For the first time in 5 years, the owner could use it normally, and it remains dry to this day. This project shows that NCT technology works even where other systems fail. If you have a problem with a damp basement or ground floor, contact us. We will advise you on how to solve this problem on your own, with our materials, or together with us, with a 30-year guarantee.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.